has been exchanged. Fire, 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 fire. Right now, every glory that has been exchanged. Right now, reverse, 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 reverse. Now, 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 open your mouth. Your carrier gloria.
Welcome, people of God, to today's devotional channel. If you're new here, please, we'd like you to subscribe on YouTube and follow us on Facebook. You can also do well to like, share, and comment so that others will get to see this video. God bless you.
Let your image on let your image rise. Let your image rise. Let your image rise. Somebody shout fire. Shout fire. Shout fire. Say by the word of Jesus, I announce this sickness is not unto death. This challenge will not end the way the devil planned it. Say it is. This sickness, this challenge, this mountain is not unto pain and bitter tears. It is for the glory of the Lord. Shout and roy, 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 roy. Wherever there is a mountain, roy. Wherever there's an arrow, wherever there is oppression, glory take over, glory take over, glory take over, glory take over, 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 right now, 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 right now. Let your image on now. Let your image on now. Let me hear you shout fire. Shout fire. Shout fire. Don't die, roar. 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 Moses prayed and asked and said, show me your glory. Roar. Roar. You asked, you said to Moses, you will see my goodness, you will see my grace, you will see my mercy all in your glory. There is healing in your glory, there is deliverance in your glory, there is anointing in your glory, there is power in your glory. Your glory is who you are, your glory is your weight, your glory is who you are, your glory is your identity, your glory is your fullness, your glory is your possibility. Right now in my life, let a higher dimension of your glory let it be poured out, let it be poured out, let it be poured out, let it be poured out now, 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 Let your image on her. Let your image on her. Shall fire. Shall fire. Shall fire. Shall fire. Say today, by the glory of the Lord, I announce he may catch his angels, spirit, his ministers, flames of fire, flames of fire, flames of fire, flames of fire. Say I announce I am a flame of fire, shall glory, shall fire, shall power, shall glory, shall fire, shall power. Thunder when they see me, they see his glory. When they see me, they see his glory. Glory, 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 fire, power, 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 shall fire, 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 fire. Let your image on her. Let your image rise. For the Bible said they exchange their glory to the similitude of an ox. They eat grass. They exchange their glory. They exchange their glory. You are the threshold of another beginning. What exchange your glory? What exchange your glory? Something is about to bust out. What exchange your glory? There's about to be a birthing. What exchange your glory? What is it? What is it? No way. My God, your marital glory, your family glory, your career glory, they exchange their glory to the similitude of an ox that eat the grass. Let me hear you shall fire, shall fire, shall fire, shall they roar. Wherever my glory has been exchanged, let me hear you shall fire, shall fire, shall fire, shall fire, shall roar, roar. Wherever my glory has been exchanged, shall fire, 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 fire. Right now, every glory that has been exchanged, right now, reverse, 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 reverse. Now, 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 open your mouth. Your career glory. Oh my God, Nsppd, take back your family glory. My God, your ministry glory. Irokonabarasa, Ilabianaba, Ushakabe, Ayama, Akorosodo, Otobo, Orepiana, Academia, Adabia, Araba, Arabanaba, Arabana, Oshaka, Ataka, Ilabiana, Akaba, Otoboroso, Lokoroboto, Rapianaba, Ashatada, Aya, Aya, Akachaba, Ela Coroso, Ela Bianaba, Ashakada, Ababa, Rokopoto, Lakada, Ela Bia, Ashada, Ababa, Orokoto, Ela Biana, Ababa, Akada, Akajolaba, Ababa, Rokoto, Sokoria, Ishaka, Apalakoto, let your image on let your image rise wherever your glory has been exchanged, let it be restored. Let it be restored. Let it be restored. Let it be restored. Oh, yeah, now they cannot exchange your glory. They cannot exchange your glory. They cannot exchange it. Let it be restored. Let it be restored. Right now. 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 Glory be restored. Business glory be restored. Family glory be restored. Health glory be restored. Right now. 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 Let your image on now. Let your image rise. Let your image rise. Let your image rise. Let the hand of the Lord, the anointing from on high, that cause men to become captains in their industry, by the outpouring of a roar, let the hand of the Lord come upon you. Let the hand of the Lord come upon you. Anointing to activate whatever the enemy tries to kill. Whatever the enemy is trying to kill. Let the hand of the Lord come upon it. Let it come alive. 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 Right now. Right now. Right now. Anybody that is feeling empty. Empty your spirit. Empty your life. Empty your marriage. Empty your finances. His glory is weight. His glory is weight. Let the 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 weight of His glory rest upon you. Right now. 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 Let your image rise. Let your image rise. Let your image rise. Somebody shall fire. Somebody shall fire. Somebody shall fire. I don't know who this prayer is for. The last thing that happened as Gideon went to win the enemies that rose against them. They put their light, they put their torches in their picture. And Gideon told the 300 men at the blast of the trumpet, you will break the pitcher. Break the pitcher. As soon as they broke the pitcher, their light was seen. Their light was seen. There are people under the sound of my voice. All I hear is break the pitcher. There is light. My God, my God. There is light. He has made a promise. It is light. He's not a man that he should lie. It is light. Lift up your voice and shall fire. shall fire, shall fire. When the love was on the picture, shall break. On the picture, shall break, shall picture. On the break, shall picture. Break, picture. Break, picture. Break, picture. Break, picture. Break, picture.